Hey creators, welcome back to BQ Creates, the home of tech hacks, smart business ideas and hands-on DIY magic. Let's dive right in. A gas cylinder exploded on the road, causing a loud blast. Emergency services quickly secured the area, with no serious injuries reported. The Connor K3 isn't just a helicopter, it's a flying adrenaline rush. With its lightweight design, it can land and glide on water, performs high-speed dives, vertical climbs, and even hopper spins. It's built for thrill, precision, and next-level aerial antics. This manual worker is just from a different breed. Such an amazing piece of accuracy. Ready to start a small food business? This is just what you should do. Such a beautiful piece of art. Kids and even adults will love this. No panic, this is just a dummy. In this test, we're seeing how lightning fast this fire extinguisher kicks into action. Within seconds, it smothers the flames completely. No drama, no delay. A powerful reminder that the right extinguisher can make all the difference when seconds count. Introducing Easy Reet, a game changer in Dutch thatching. This innovative solution replaces traditional methods with ready-made thatch tiles, but are quick to install, long-lasting, and beautifully authentic. Proudly developed in the Netherlands, Easy Reet blends classic craftsmanship with modern ease, making thatched roofs more efficient and accessible than ever. This farmer's ducks are eating like royalty. Crayfish on the farm menu. Why buy it if you can create it yourself? This is exactly what this genius has done. Sometimes simple tools are all that you need. Dear creators, meet the genius who said, "Why swim in water when you can swim in dessert?" He filled his entire pool with Jell-O. Yes, actual wobbly, jiggly Jell-O. Then dove in like it was the Olympics of snack food. The splash? More like a plop. Physics is confused, we're impressed, and somewhere a grandma just gasped at the waist. Homemade forklift is genius. 4 car tires and some creativity turn it into a heavy lifting beast. Tying a tie could actually be this easy. Finally learned how to tie a tie without getting confused. This professional removed the damaged section of the wooden window frame and replaced it with a perfectly measured new piece, blending it seamlessly into the existing structure. A clean, professional job that restored both strength and style. A foldable floor drag with motion pictures, eye-catching, portable and perfect for events or displays. Under extreme pressure, water can cut through tough metal and soft rubber alike, showing that sharp focus beats raw strength. And that's a wrap, creators. If you learned something new or just love a good fix, hit that like button underneath the video. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and keep the dream alive.